honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, yesterday my order from Amazon came. I had ordered some cable protectors. This is what they look like. And you know how your cables always get torn up right here. So I bought something to fix that. And I got enough so I can share some with my kids and my grandkids. And these are called cable protectors. All different colors. So my color is pink. I don't know what color Walter's gonna want for his stuff. And this also keep people from walking away with your charging cable, whatever you call it. Like, I frequently have grandkids over and everybody got something that's charging. And sometimes people accidentally or not so accidentally walk off with somebody else's cable because it may look a little better than theirs. Anyway, if I give everybody their own color, that won't happen. So I already got 2 of them on one of my cables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Must be one of them on a cable. So I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay. Take out one. So I'm gonna start with this messed up end. So you put the thicker end by this thing. And you just coil it on there. Turn it that way. And just wrap it, wrap it, wrap it, wrap it, till it's on there. Till you get to the end, and then just push that thick part up like that. So this is nice and flexible. Of course, this still ain't gonna last forever, but that'll help. And it'll give you a little more time with it before you have to buy another one. So I'm gonna put one on each end. See, I got my initials in mine. And I don't play that stuff. My cable looks better than yours, so you gonna accidentally take mine? I got my initials on my stuff. Okay, put that on there. And I will leave the link for this. I'm just wrapping it and wrapping it. And let me get to this top. So I think it's nice myself. So that will extend the life of your cable cord. So you don't have to keep going to Dollar Tree buying them little dollar cords if they fit your stuff. So I'm gonna do another one. My initials in it. Put the thick end toward this. Just put it in there. And then just keep wrapping. Push that up. Okay. That'll extend the life of the cord. So we'll put it on this end. And remember to put the fat end. See, there's a fat end, thick end, and this the regular end. So I'm still staying in, haven't been anywhere. Got that on here, and I'm going to push it up. Okay. Very nice. So these are my cable protectors. And this is the one that was messed up, I think. This one, I think. I'm not sure which one it was now. So it won't cause undue stress when you're trying to plug this in and charge your stuff. So this particular set came with a lot. I don't know how many. And I think it was under $10 for all this. Okay. So I want to thank you for watching this short video. Leave a nice comment, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. I got food in there cooking, so I said, let me do this video. It's my thumbnail. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bye.